We often talk about the history of American states, but today, we're focusing on a history that's even deeper, the one found in the states' names. Out of 50 states, we've identified 9 whose names aren't adaptations from other languages or simple descriptions of a landscape. Instead, their names are the very identity of the original Native American people who lived there. We're diving into the heart of America to explore these 9 states named directly after a specific tribe, a tribute to the land's first inhabitants. Our journey begins in the West with Utah, a state whose name is a direct tribute to the Ute people. The Ute Nation occupied a massive territory, becoming masters of the high desert and mountains of the Great Basin. They were a Shoshonean-speaking tribe, and the name Ute is derived from their own language. It's believed to mean people of the mountains, or people of the high places, a perfect description for those who thrived in this rugged terrain. The Utah Territory was officially established in 1850. While much of its recorded history centers on Mormon settlement, the entire region was the ancestral home of the Ute, Paiute, and Shoshone. The name Utah remains a powerful and direct acknowledgement of the original people of the mountains. Their legacy is literally carved into the state's identity, a permanent reminder of their deep connection to this breathtaking landscape. From the mountains of the West, we travel to the Atlantic coast, to Massachusetts. This state is named directly after the local indigenous group, the Massachusett Tribe. These were highly organized Algonquian-speaking people, skilled fishers and agriculturalists who lived in settled villages all along the bay. The name itself comes from their word, Massachusett, which translates to "at the Great Hill." This is a clear geographical reference to the prominent Great Blue Hill located near modern-day Boston. Of course, Massachusetts was the site of the earliest Pilgrim and Puritan settlements, which ultimately led to devastating conflicts and profound loss for the tribe. But despite this tragic history, the name of the tribe endures, permanently cementing their identity to the very land they stewarded for generations. The name Massachusetts is a living echo of the people who first called this coastal region home. Now, we move into the heartland to find Illinois, a name that honors the powerful Illiniwek Confederacy. This wasn't just a single tribe, but a major political alliance of up to 13 distinct tribes, including the Kaskaskia and Peoria. Together, they dominated the vast Mississippi River Valley. The name Illinois comes from the French adaptation of Illiniwek, which is an Algonquian word meaning speaking in the ordinary way, or more poetically, they are men, signifying their status as the principal people of the region. After French exploration, the territory was organized and eventually became a state in 1818. Tragically, the Illiniwek suffered an immense population decline due to disease and conflict. Today, their recognized descendants live primarily as the Peoria Tribe of Indians of Oklahoma. The state's name, however, stands as a testament to the once mighty Confederacy that shaped the history of America's heartland. Moving south, we arrive in Alabama, a state named after the Alabama people. They were a prominent tribe within the larger Muskogee Creek Confederacy, skilled farmers who lived in established towns throughout the beautiful river valleys of the southeast. The name Alabama is derived from Choctaw words and is most often interpreted as the tribe of the herb gatherers, or possibly thicket clearers, suggesting a people deeply connected to the agricultural bounty of their land. Alabama became a state in 1819, a process that unfortunately soon led to the forced relocation of the Alabama and other Muskogee peoples during the Trail of Tears. Yet the state's name remains an enduring tribute, a permanent reminder of the original herb gatherers who cultivated this fertile soil long before the state itself existed. Next, we explore the state of Missouri, named for the Ute Tribe, a Siouan-speaking people who lived at the crossroads of major American rivers. They were a semi-nomadic group who skillfully balanced farming near the confluence of the Missouri and Grand Rivers, with bison hunting out on the plains. The name Missouri is actually a hand-me-down. It comes from an Illiniwek word used by their neighbors to describe them. The word means those who have dug-out canoes, or town of the large canoes, painting a vivid picture of a river-faring people. The name they were given by their neighbors, a name celebrating their craftsmanship and way of life, now defines the 24th state. Today, the Massachusett Tribe is federally recognized as part of the Ute Tribe of Indians, headquartered in Oklahoma, but their name is forever etched on the map of the United States. We remain on the Great Plains to visit Kansas, a name that is a direct tribute to the Kansa people, who are also known today as the Dakota Nation. This Siouan-speaking tribe made their ancestral home along the river that still bears their name. The name Kansa itself is generally accepted to mean people of the south wind. This evocative name connects the tribe directly to the powerful natural forces that define life on the plains. The Kansas Territory was created in 1854, a move that led to the turbulent Bleeding Kansas era, as pro-slavery and anti-slavery settlers clashed. Kansas achieved statehood in 1861. Through all that turmoil, the name Kansas remains permanently cemented in the state's title, honoring the identity and spirit of the Dakota Nation, the original people of the South Wind. Our next stop is Iowa, another state with a name that serves as a direct namesake for a tribe, the Iowa people, also known as the Massachusett. The Iowa were a Siouan-speaking tribe who expertly utilized the rich river valleys for farming corn, beans, and squash, while also venturing onto the plains to hunt bison. Their name, Iowa, is most often interpreted as meaning the gray snow people, though some interpretations offer a more poetic meaning, the beautiful ones. The name was first attached to the Iowa River, the central feature of the tribe's settlements and homeland. Iowa became a state in 1846, and in doing so, it carried forward the memory of the Iowa people and their historic, intimate connection to the land and its life-giving river. We conclude our journey with two states that share one powerful name, North Dakota and South Dakota. The name for both is taken directly from the Dakota people, a major division of the Great Sioux Nation. Unlike some other state names that were given by neighbors or adapted by Europeans, the name Dakota is their own word, an autonym. It means friend, ally, or league together, reflecting the strong political alliances that define their culture. When the massive Dakota Territory was split and admitted to the Union as two separate states in 1889, both new states insisted on keeping the powerful name. The Dakota people, whose very language speaks of alliance, remain a major presence in the region today, ensuring that the title of these states remains a living direct tribute to the allies, who first claimed this magnificent land as their own. These 9 states, from the rolling hills of Massachusetts to the vast plains of the Dakotas, carry names that are so much more than just labels on a map. They are living declarations, constant reminders of the original peoples of this land. By keeping the focus on these direct tribal namesakes, we honor the resilient identities of the Ute, the Massachusett, the Illiniwek, the Alabama, the Missouri, the Kansa, the Iowa, and the Dakota. Their names are permanently etched into the geography of the United States, a testament to their enduring presence and a powerful legacy that continues to this day. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the tribes who named U.S. states. If you enjoyed our journey, please like this video and subscribe for more stories hidden within our history.